How to turn off Windows lock on keyboard. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To turn off lock on keyboard, simply click on Shift. Hold it for 5 seconds. After holding it, leaving it for 5 seconds, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Yes, and you will be able to type anything you want. Also, to turn it on, you can simply click on Shift, hold it for 5 or 6 seconds and leave it. After that, you won't be able to type as your keyboard has been locked. And that's how you turn off Windows lock on keyboard. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.